Yes, exhale. It's that time of year again. We're going to be planning for the holidays in today's video, so I hope you'll make yourself a cup of tea and join me. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. So we're in mid-November, and for me, this is really the time to bed in and do some serious planning. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and then of course, Christmas. So we're going to enjoy the process, not get stressed over it, because I truly believe that being chic is being prepared. So let's start off with planning, because this is the first step. Whether you use an actual planner, a specific holiday planner, or a notebook, I just think it's a great idea to write down what you have coming up in the season. So the way that I do that is I get out my month calendar. Okay, so I would be looking at November and December. And right off the bat, usually it's in my phone, I will write down any important dates. Performances for the kids, concerts we're going to, events we're going to be doing. And I get that all in, not only on my monthly spread, but on the day of as well, because I don't actually look at my monthly spread every day. So if it's something big, just so I don't forget it, I will put it on the monthly spread. So that's the first thing that I do. The next thing I do is think about the commitments I have for the holidays. So for example, Thanksgiving is coming up and I am in charge of the desserts like I always am. So I'm going to think about the type of pies that I want to have, which ones am I going to make, what am I going to buy, that type of thing. So I hope you'll make a cup of tea and join me. I'm going to get to planning right now. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you about is wardrobe. So don't forget, as you're doing your planning for the holiday season, to think about your wardrobe as well, both casual and special occasion wear, because I'm sure you have a few events that are coming up where you're going to need to look a little elevated. I also have several dressy events coming up this season, and I've been building up my special occasion wear. So I wanted to tell you about Lilysilk, who have kindly sponsored today's video, because they're a wonderful resource for high quality clothing at accessible pricing. They have amazing cashmere, like this cashmere sweater that I'm wearing right now. They have beautiful silk options that are perfect for dressy holiday events. So let me show you some of the new arrivals from Lilysilk. Starting off with this pleated point collar silk blouse in black. A black silk blouse is an excellent addition to any special occasion wear wardrobe because you know you will always have an occasion to wear it to, whether a somber formal one or for a fun and festive evening out at the theater or to a restaurant on a chilly night. Let me tell you about the black skirt, which is going to replace my current one that I have for winter. It's the Collegiate Ultra Fine Merino Wool Skirt, which comes in camel and black. It is a machine washable merino wool. in a luxurious and sustainable fabric that offers unparalleled comfort and quality. I love it. I feel like it's the perfect length. It's going to look so good with all of my other core items. Okay, next I want to show you the silk wool mixed trench coat in black, which is the perfect evening coat because of its low-key luxury and classic design. This is an evening coat. It is so good to wear with evening dresses, which is nice because whenever I dress up to go out in the evening, if I pair it with my kind of everyday wool black coat, it just doesn't seem formal, you know? So this makes it formal. It's excellent. As for sweaters, this is going to be going into my winter sweaters. It is the brushed cashmere pullover sweater with only the finest grade A Mongolian cashmere. Each strand of cashmere is brushed using the most advanced Japanese brushing technique for longevity and baby softness. And finally, I wanted to give you updates on my favorite Lilysilk sweaters like the cable knit cashmere cardigan and the cashmere polo. These items look so good even after so many washes. You can see that here. My olive silk blouse remains a favorite too, and all of these will carry over into winter. You'll recognize this red cable knit sweater that I wore last Christmas season from Lilysilk. I'm bringing it back this season and it looks just like new. So it washed well, it wore well last year, and it's back and still available on their website. I have some pretty amazing discount codes. You can get 20% off with the code LSDaily20, or you can get 25% off if you spend over $480 with LSDaily25, and this excludes discounted products. So thank you so much to Lilysilk for sponsoring today's video. Okay, the next category I want to talk to you about is decluttering. Chances are, if you haven't already decorated your house for Christmas specifically or the holidays, you're probably getting ready to do so. And a good idea is to declutter first because you don't want decorations on top of clutter. So I always have to go through my clutter hotspots. They remain high traffic areas in my home. I have just accepted that that's what they are, and I just go through them every now and then. When they are in their hotspot phase, I'm not stressed over it. I know that I will eventually get to it. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of decluttering inspiration right now. While you watch me declutter this corner of my house, I wanted to share another word on decluttering before the holidays. I find it important to declutter the kids' rooms with both clothes and toys and belongings, and to get them involved. They'll be getting presents for Christmas, and it's important to donate all the things they no longer fit in or play with and want to make room for all that's coming in. So we plan to do that over the next few weeks. The kids generally get pretty excited about decluttering their space if they know that they're preparing for some gifts to come in. So ride that wave and get them involved. And while you're watching me finish up here, I wanted to mention that I'm part of the At Home Holiday Summit from At Home with Nikki, who's an amazing YouTuber and a dear friend. This is a totally free holiday summit with amazing guest speakers that will get you excited about getting prepared for the holidays. So you can find my link to join down below. And finally, let's talk about decorations, because of course we must be prepared with our decorations. It's a good idea to take an inventory of what you already have and look forward to using. And if there's anything on your list that you need to top up for the holiday season, then take a trip to the craft store or the home decor store, and that's always really fun. I love King of Christmas. That's where our Christmas tree is from, and our garlands. And this year I have little individual trees for all the bedrooms, which is a nice special touch. Another thing that I always look forward to are the Christmas crafts. So I definitely write that down in my planner as well. And I always do the sliced oranges, but usually something else at least as well that I can look forward to for the season. Make sure you check out the latest copy of Victoria magazine. It is my final writer in residence essay, and it is of course their beautiful holiday issue. You're absolutely going to love it, and it was such an honor to be in this issue. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you feel motivated to get ready for the holiday season in a very relaxed and elegant way. I'd like to thank Lilysilk for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to use my code LSDaily20 for 20% off, or you can get 25% off with orders over $480 with code LSDaily25. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.